Hello, my name is Caroline Kennedy and I'm Head of Careers at National College of Ireland. And in this series of videos, we're going to be talking about why LinkedIn is so important for students, for graduates, and really for everybody, no matter what stage of the career they're at. So there's so many reasons that LinkedIn is a really valuable tool. I suppose one of the first ones is that it allows you to build your brand. So if you search for your name on Google, chances are that your LinkedIn profile is going to come up in the first page of search results about you. So it's really important tool for visibility. And really, it's like your own personal website. And I suppose another thing it does is it gives you access to decision makers and recruiters that really isn't possible without LinkedIn. It allows you to search and apply for different jobs. You can research different career paths. You can look to see where people from your course have gone before you, or maybe you can see a career you're interested in, find people working there and see what path they took, what courses they did, what experience they had to get into that career path. If you've an interview, you can research who's interviewing you before the interview. You can obviously follow company pages as well, get an insight into companies to see their culture, their values, all of that before you apply and before you go for interview. It allows you as well, as I mentioned, find alumni, connect with alumni, and I suppose start to network with alumni in terms of their career paths, where they've gone, and also just if you want to do it more passively, to see how they've gone, what experience they got, and where their career has taken them since leaving NCI. Look, there's lots of learning courses you can do as well on LinkedIn, and I find it really helpful for staying up to date and informed on what's happening in different sectors. And then it really is a very valuable networking tool. So it could be that you're going to search for all the graduate recruiters in an area you're interested in, or perhaps all the managers in software engineering in a particular company you're interested in. And then, you can see their activity, you can see their posts. I suppose you can see their career paths, you can see what it is they're interested in. And all of that is hugely beneficial when you're job searching and also when you're developing your career. So I suppose in summary, LinkedIn really is, you are who LinkedIn says you are. So it's your brand. When somebody goes onto your LinkedIn profile, really, I would treat that as my personal website and make sure that the impression I'm giving of myself is the professional presence I want recruiters and employers to see.